home for tonight.
Hello Explorer!
Welcome to a new episode on our long way around the world. And we are in Sri Lanka, or better, in the Wilpattu National Park today. And
because we're going on safari!
We're gonna find animals again, hopefully.
We're looking for some big grey animals.
With a thick, thin.
They're called elephants, I guess.
Yeah. Hopefully we see some elephants, but it's also really famous for leopards. We already know that we don't find them easily, but we had luck in India, so hopefully we have luck again.
And there will be lizards
Fingers
and birds.
Crossed.
Yeah. So, how was your first safari?
It was amazing. It was probably the best safari we've ever done. And that was after Africa.
And why?
We had such a good guide. That was the first reason. But we've seen leopards, 2 of them, mating. Let's see the video. We have a little light in our tent, and now we go for our candlelight, or a better bonfire dinner. It's pretty dark, you can't see anything, and now it's even more dark. Can you light yourself? Otherwise I can't see you in the video.
Here I come.
Oh my god, that's so scary. Good morning.
Morning.
How did you sleep in our tent?
I had better nights, but hearing all the sound of all those animals was absolutely fantastic.
The young one, when it's become matured, it's changed into red in color, staying in the same plant. But when it's red, we can pluck them, then we can dry. Right? After dried, it's not red, it's just brown, and dried. By grinding, we can produce chili powder.
our last stage, the tasting part.
Yeah.
And how is it?
It's really tasty.
We hope you got inspired to travel to Wilpattu National Park because it was so amazing.
Yeah, we stayed at a big game camp and absolutely loved it.
We really recommend you to ask for our wonderful guides a mirror
And if you liked the video, give it a thumb up.
and join our channel so you won't miss the next video because we're showing you more of Sri Lanka. See you soon.
Bye!